In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Patreon. If you're a creator and you want to share video content directly with your supporters, Patreon gives you a few different ways to do it. The most direct option is to upload a native video right from your creator dashboard. To get started, click Create, then Post, and choose Video. This opens the video post editor, where you can begin uploading your content and prepare everything for publishing. Before you upload, it's important to know the file limits. Patreon supports video files up to 5 gigabytes in size, so if your file is larger than that, you'll need to compress it first. Supported formats include MP4, MOV, MPEG, and OGG. If you're exporting from an editing program, choosing one of those formats ahead of time can help avoid upload issues and make the process smoother. Once your video is uploaded, Patreon will generate thumbnail options from still frames in the video. You can select one of those automatically generated frames if it works well for your post. If you want more control over how the video appears, you can also upload a custom thumbnail image instead. A clear thumbnail can make your post look more polished and help members recognize the content right away. After the upload begins, Patreon processes the video in the background. That means you don't have to sit and wait for it to finish before doing anything else. You can continue filling out the rest of the post details, like the title, description, audience settings, and any other post information. You can even navigate away while the processing continues, which is helpful if you're multitasking or preparing several posts at once. Patreon also offers alternative ways to share video content, depending on how you want your audience to access it. One option is embed URL. In the post editor, you can choose embed URL and paste a link from a supported platform such as YouTube or Streamable. If you're using YouTube, it's generally best to set the video to unlisted and make sure embedding is enabled so only people with access to your Patreon post can view it there. Another option is Vimeo integration. Under your post settings, you can connect your Vimeo account and securely stream and embed videos from your Vimeo library directly into your Patreon posts. This can be especially useful if you already manage your video content on Vimeo and want a more seamless workflow. Finally, keep in mind that uploading a raw video file as a general attachment works differently from creating a video post. When you attach a file this way, Patreon adds a downloadable file link at the bottom of the post instead of displaying an on-platform video player. That's useful if you want members to download the file, but not if you want them to watch it directly inside Patreon. And that's how to upload videos to Patreon.